Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can day trade crypto on Robinhood. By the end of this video, you'll know how to place trades, track the market, and avoid rookie mistakes. First, open the Robinhood app and go to the crypto section here. You'll see coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Dogecoin. Then, to day trade crypto effectively, you need to understand that it's a 24-hour market, meaning you can trade anytime. Instead of using market orders, use limit orders. This helps you avoid overpaying or selling too low. After that, use daily and weekly charts to spot short-term trends and identify your entry and exit points. Remember, crypto prices are always moving up or down. Even during an uptrend, there can be short-term dips, so stay aware of the overall trend. A smart strategy is to watch Bitcoin first, as it often leads the market, while altcoins usually follow a few days later. To succeed at day trading, you need discipline. Stick to your plan, don't chase big wins, and never panic during drops. Avoid emotional trades and set daily goals. For example, aim for a small, consistent 2% gain, and then stop for the day. Also, make sure to cut losses early. If a trade turns against you, exit quickly. Never hold on to a bad trade hoping it will recover. If it's not working, just get out. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.